It's been a few months now since I quit my job after achieving a milestone along the road to financial independence. A huge part of that was using the right tools. And so today I'd like to tell you about one of those tools. It's a bank account, actually one of my favorites. If you're wondering who gets excited about bank accounts or who even has a favorite one for that matter, I do. I do, my friend. In my opinion, this is the best savings account in Canada. When most people think about high interest savings accounts, they think about a boring old bank account that earns virtually nothing. If that's you, then it probably means that you have your money in a high interest savings account that's not actually high interest. You see, there's a lot of misconceptions around these types of savings accounts because most banks don't actually offer a good interest rate. I was actually having a conversation with my friend the other day and we were talking about their finances and where they should be keeping their emergency fund.
Yeah, so I'm looking to start putting some money away into an emergency fund.
Okay, great. So I think the best place to probably put that is going to be in a high interest savings account.
Oh, perfect. I actually already have one of those at my bank, so I'll just move the money into it.
Do you actually happen to know what the interest rate on that account would be?
I'm not sure. Let me see. It looks like it's 0.05%. Is that high?
Well, no. Calling that high would be the equivalent of putting parsley on top of Kraft dinner and calling that fancy.
Oh.
Yeah, and what about fees? Do you get charged fees for e-transfers or anything similar to that?
Yeah, it looks like I do.
So not only are you not making any money, but you're probably actually losing money to these fees.
This is awful. What do I do? Help me, Steve.
Don't worry, I got you. So I proceeded to show my friend the exact same account that I'd like to show you guys today. So the best savings account in Canada, in my humble opinion anyway, is... Actually, hold on one second. Drum roll, please. Is this one right here. EQ Bank Savings Plus account. And this account right here is actually truly high interest. It pays you currently 1.7% interest, which is up to 30 times more than banks that you may be with right now. This all means that just by parking my money here, of which I keep 5 figures, I'll earn hundreds of dollars in completely passive income this year without my money being exposed to any investment risk. It's just sitting in a bank account. This interest will compound too, so it will continue to grow over time. And on top of that, this account has no everyday banking fees, no account minimums, and unlimited transactions, including free e-transfers, which means I haven't paid a single dime to use this account. The only thing that's happened is my money has grown. And on top of that, EQ Bank even sends you an email every month to let you know how much interest you earned, which I think is just awesome because it acts as positive reinforcement to get you excited about saving, even if it's a small amount. I think the psychological shift that happens once you realize that just by putting your money in the right place, that you can actually earn money that way is so important. And by having these monthly emails that get sent to you, it just is that positive feedback loop that reminds you that you put your money in the right place and you're now being rewarded for it. I mean, simply put, it just makes saving so much more fun. Now, right off the bat, I can probably guess some of your concerns. Is EQ Bank legit? Is my money gonna be safe? I mean, these are all good questions to ask yourself before trusting some random dude on YouTube with where to put your money. So to help hopefully ease some of your concerns, let's talk about who EQ Bank actually is. This is the research I did and found out before I was willing to trust them with my money. EQ Bank is the digital banking arm of Equitable Bank, which is a federally regulated Schedule I bank in Canada with 33 billion assets under management. This puts them in the top 10 largest banks in Canada. Something else that's super important is that EQ Bank is a member of CDIC, which is the Canadian Deposit Insurance Corporation. This is very important because it makes your deposits eligible for depositors insurance. Now, this is the exact same of insurance that you'd have at any major bank that you currently bank with. Basically, what CDIC does is it basically backs your money so that, let's say in the case of any bank that you're banking with, if you were banking with, even if it's a TD, RBC, Scotiabank, whatever, if that bank happened to go under, CDIC would step in as a last resort to basically cover you up to $100,000. This is the same protection that all major banks has, and EQ Bank has it as well. And you don't have to just trust some random dude on YouTube. EQ Bank is regularly named Best High Interest Savings Account by websites like RateHub, MoneySense, and Greedy Rates. So before we go any further, if you're already like, Steve, this is incredible, thank you so much for showing me, how do I open this account? Well, it's actually really simple because I've put a link in the description down below that you can click on, and then you'll be brought to the webpage where you can sign up for an account, which is super easy and super painless. Honestly, should probably just take you a few minutes. You just need to sign up for your account, link an external bank account so you can transfer money in and out very quickly and easily, and then you're good to go. It was honestly the least painful sign up process for any bank account that I've ever had. After signing up, I think you'll also quickly realize that you're not dealing with a really clunky website or anything like that. It's super smooth to use, everything is really fast and easy, including transferring money in and out of the account. Let's say you set this up as an emergency fund or something like that, and 6 months down the road you lose your job, God forbid. You can quickly just fire yourself an e-transfer out of this account. It's going to be free and it's going to be instant, and you can receive this money in whatever checking account you have at your other financial institution so you can cover whatever expenses you had in a pinch, just like that. This account was really important for me in my journey to financial independence because when I was planning to quit my job, I needed somewhere to keep my money that was both safe and not exposed to any investment risk, but that would still at least earn me some sort of return. So once I found out about EQ Bank and did some more research and saw that they checked all these other boxes, I immediately jumped on board, and I've been super happy ever since. Now, something to keep in mind with interest rates is that they do change from time to time, and that's because our central bank, the Bank of Canada, essentially sets a benchmark interest rate according to economic conditions, and all the other banks in Canada basically follow suit with the direction that they set their interest rates. So if the Bank of Canada lowers their interest rate, then the other banks in Canada will also follow suit, and vice versa. So they do fluctuate over time, but the one thing that I really value about EQ Bank is even when interest rates do drop, they still tend to keep their interest rate very competitive across all the other banks, which is super important to me. And I mean, pair that with a high level of account security, no banking fees, free e-transfers, a website that works really well, and I mean, I think you just have yourself a no-brainer here. I'm super sick and tired of hearing people who are stuck in these high interest rates accounts that pay them like 0.05% interest when something like this is out there. So I just really wanted to raise awareness about these other alternatives that can make your money work so much more harder for you. Now, you might be wondering, in what situations might it be right for you to have an account like this? And in my opinion, honestly, everybody should have one, whether you're somebody who wants to start building their emergency fund or someone who's just starting to save for short-term goals. Everyone can make use of this account. It's a perfect place for an emergency fund because it's safe, it's not exposed to investment risk, it's easily accessible, you can pull money out of it if you need to very quickly, there's no costs associated with the account, and you earn a competitive interest rate. Perfect place for an emergency fund. It's also a perfect place for you to save for a down payment because all those criteria apply to that too. You don't want to be investing money that you're going to be putting towards a down payment in a short-term period of time, even just a few years away. That's too short to expose it to investment risk. But putting it in a high-interest savings account like this, you can rest assured that that money's going to be there, but it's also going to grow a bit along the way. Even short-term savings goals like buying a new car or a vacation, really anything like that, you might as well keep the money in here so that you can earn that interest rate basically free of charge. For me, since after quitting my job, it's important that I have a good chunk of money that's safe and that's outside of the stock market should I need to rely on that for anything that comes up while I'm building this business. So this account has been super, super important for me to keep a good amount of money in there that's nice and safe and easily accessible and earning that good interest rate. So I really hope I introduced you to something new today that you weren't aware of before. Maybe you're somebody who is stuck in a high interest savings account at their bank that was earning like 0.05% interest and was like, oh my God, I never knew anything like this was out there. So if you're ready to put your money into a high interest savings account that's actually going to work for you, then go ahead and hit the link in the description down below to sign up for this account. To end today's video, I wanted to show you this tweet by Gary Vee that he put out, I think it was a while ago, where he said that we need to make saving cool again. And I honestly couldn't agree more. We tend to see saving as this boring thing or this thing that makes us miserable and miss out on life. We often look to very flashy things like getting rich quick or having very nice possessions. But honestly, a huge portion of being successful when it comes to your personal finances is being able to save a lot of money. Saving is the gateway that allows you to then move that money to other directions, whether that's to pay down debt or it's to move to your investments. You first have to save that money that comes off your income, and then you can direct it to where you need to go. So honestly, saving is the coolest thing in the world. And as I said in a previous video, always remember that our savings are our profits. I think that this EQ bank account is one more step in that right direction of kind of changing the way we think about savings and even how we interact with our financial institutions when it comes to saving. And so with all that being said, I'm Steve Antonioni, and this has been Cash College on the best savings account in Canada, in my opinion anyway. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe if you're not already, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you again soon.